umaga po sa inyo lahat. Good morning, welcome po sa Tuwing ng Bahay. Matangin ang init, parang impyerno.
Nice one!
I would like to tell the quartet band from Canada, sorry ha. This is the oldest we can get. This is the oldest we can get. Here in the Philippines, we are nearing the partition. No, it's not equator. We are near the partition of human and demons. Hell and earth. That's why it's so hot. This is hell without a fire. Demons, motherfuckers! Welcome to Freedom Bar, where we are not freedom. We are freedom tonight. Everybody take off your clothes and let's make some love. This is a big orgy.
Bastos!
That's why I didn't bring my wife, because you want orgy. Listen! Because it's not that professional. Only in the intro, the guitarist broke his strings. This one, you should be sorry. That guy has been detained in Dubai for bringing marijuana. It's okay! It's okay to bring marijuana than to kill or take shabu. I'd rather be in jail bringing marijuana than bringing shabu or killing. Joke only. We don't do that. Joke only. We don't do that. Joke only.
Hindi nga!
So every Filipino here inside the place, don't live after us. Quarter is playing. We are the o'clock. Quarter, 8 o'clock. Ay, quarter guys, ha? Enjoy your tattoo in the Philippines. Enjoy na.
Yum!
So very quick and very dirty.
Okay, son!
Run! Those who are drinking, can I have a cheers? Salamat sa lahat ng mga tumugtog. Pag wala kayong gagawin bukas, gusto nyo makakita ng maraming pokpok, nasa couple din kami kasanab. Hindi ako mag-stop, hindi. Ang couple din kami bukas sa kasanab. Friday, kung wala kayong gagawin, nasa Ormoc lang kami. Sabado sa Tacloban. Sunday, magsimba kayo.
Oh! Go lang para.
Salamat sa lahat ng mga taong pumunta. Salamat sa mga lahat ng bandang tumugtog. Salamat sa Lord Sentros. Excuse me. Salamat sa Rich. Madami na mga bagong kanta. Galing sa bago naming album. Lalabas na po yung album namin. Salamat sa mga nagigay. Salamat sa mga kaibigan tumulong. Thank you.